Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, I get requests for Windows 12 information every week. And since we're still 2 years from a possible release, we don't have really a lot of information or at all on a possible Windows 12. Even knowing if it's going to be called Windows 12 or not. And of course, everybody have seen the leak that I talked about also, where you see the top of the window. The desktop has what seems to be a search, and we've got information on the upper right corner with Wi-Fi, battery, and so on. Weather here, a floating taskbar, all sorts of things like that. And of course, I think pretty much everybody agrees in the tech community that this is Windows 12. Once again, it might not be called Windows 12, but it's the next version of Windows. Pretty much everybody agrees that that's not going to be part of Windows 11. And so it's slowly pointing in a direction where, there's a new version of Windows coming. And once again, it's probably for 2024 or something like that. What we've seen there shows that internally at Microsoft, they're working on something. Now, it's interesting because a lot of people were talking about these leaks and saying, oh, well, it's an accident that he leaked this. During Ignite, there were a few leaks like that of different things, and including that page. And I think what is happening here, because a lot of people are like, well, maybe Microsoft is gonna remove those pictures, and is gonna. We all pretty much agree also on one thing. I think Microsoft made this leak official. It wanted that to be there. They didn't, try to hide it. Didn't say anything about that not being it or being it or what. I think they just wanted us to see, oh, look, this exciting future is coming and is going to replace, whatever we're doing with this and Windows 11 and so on. I have to say, I like that new look. I kind of like it. When I saw it with now having some, it's true in a certain standpoint. Some people are mentioning that with the information at the top, it does have a Mac-ish look to it. We know also that even though it's not there anymore, I think that Panos Panay, that now is device and Windows head honcho, I think he still has this, and he's still in the mode of Apple versus Microsoft, which shouldn't be anymore because it's obvious that it's two different things. But one thing for sure is that I do like it, and I think it's a way for Microsoft to say, well, okay, people are ranting, people are having a hard time with what we're showing them now with Windows 11 and so on. But there's a brilliant, cool future coming ahead, and everybody agrees that they did it on purpose to hint at something cool coming, and they did it on purpose, showing all the tech journalists and everybody. Tech savvy people, oh, look at that, look how cool that is, oh, look at how different this is. It creates the hype, and I think that is maybe what they want. Try to, even though Windows 11 is the focus of attention right now, maybe try to hint to and create a hype to, oh, but there's this exciting new thing coming. Don't worry, guys. Everybody pretty much agrees on that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.